All right, so what we're going to be doing here is replacing the audio dial control on this Cambridge Spa. This is the Black Ice series. So to get access to the audio control, there's a little dial, there's a little knob here. This is what we're going to be replacing. You're going to want to take off the front panel by taking off the vertical strips, so you can get access to the front and to the back of the panel here where this volume control is located. Lift up your door, take out anything that's inside there, and you can find this dial. Now this dial, to remove it, you want to pull the cap directly off the top of it. Okay, and that will expose the inside piece. This is connected in with a small nut here. Take some needle nose pliers somewhere on the outside here, and you'll be able to actually loosen this. Might have to hold it from the back. You can loosen the nut right off. Okay, that can come out. And then you'll be able to pull it out from the back side. As you can see, this is a dial here, this is a control. This might be zip tied in on the back, so just be very careful, and you're going to want to cut the zip ties without cutting the wires. Okay, this goes off. You have your control, and you're going to see there is going to be a just a connection here. You're going to unplug that and then take this piece off. Okay? You want to take your new piece, which might be connected to the end of your amplifier. Right? We're going to use your new amplifier here. You're going to find the audio control valve, or the audio control dial, unplug connection from it, take off cap, we just did before, take off the nut, those aside, feed the dial in through the hole at the back where the old one was. Okay, and it comes in through here. Put the nut back in, tighten it. It's a little snug in here. Make sure that's on there nice and tight. Okay. Grab your cap. Put your cap back on, so now you can turn the dial as need be, right? On the back side, you're going to plug the connection from the new one back into the amplifier. Lining them up, there'll be two arrows that you'll line up on each piece. They'll match in and plug in. Put your pieces back inside and panel back on, and you're done.